If you are learning English and you are in beginning level, then this video is for you, don't skip it. Higher study is never possible without learning English, so it's mandatory. Like wherever you want to get chance, you want to go abroad, or maybe you get chance in any kind of public university in Bangladesh, English is mandatory. All of your textbooks will be in English. So the thing is, how can you grow your English level? Let's discuss this. There are 4 parts in English: listening, reading, writing and speaking. Speaking is the mostly challenging matter in our country in Bangladesh because we don't speak English. We speak all the time Bangla. Since we are from Bangladesh, we live here in Bangladesh, so it's of course challenging matter because we are not native English speaker, native English people. So it's gonna be tough. All the time our friends, teachers, everyone speaks Bangla language, so it's a very common matter, you know. So now let's talk about all the parts, all the 4 parts here. Number 1, reading. If you want to grow your reading level, that means you have to read a lot, like English newspapers, English storybooks, English textbooks. You have to read a lot, and that's how you will improve your vocabulary level, you will improve your reading level, okay? And number 2, writing. To grow your writing level, you have to write a lot. You know, I mean minimum 1 hour or at least 30 minutes you have to write every day. Since you are a beginner, you are in beginning level, so you have to do it. And especially for writing parts, range of vocabulary and grammatical mistakes, these are important really, so don't do any grammatical mistakes. Now let's talk about number 3, listening. Listening is mostly important because when you are trying to communicate with people, with native English speakers, that means you will face problems. And if you don't understand actually, how can you reply? If you can even reply, but you don't know what they are saying actually, if you don't understand properly, that will be the problem, real problem. You will face problems really. That means you have to grow your listening level by watching movies, by watching podcasts. Okay, you have to listen a lot. To grow your listening level, you have to listen a lot. That will help you to grow your listening level. And the last one, number 4. Speaking. Speaking is the mostly challenging matter that I discussed already something. Now let's talk about how actually we improve our speaking level. You have to speak a lot. This is the main thing. Whenever you get time, just speak a lot. Be your own partner. If you don't have any partners, it's okay. Be your own partner and speak all the time. Like what do you do actually in real life, whole day? What do you do actually? How do you pass time? Speak in English. Why actually you use Bangla language? Just translate it in English and speak English. That's how you will actually grow your level. That means you need consistency and patience. Without this, it's not really possible. So, wish you all the best and pray for me so that I can upload more videos for you guys. Thanks for watching. Take love and bye-bye. Pray for me.